Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In our previous video, we did all these things. We have created this splash screen and we have created product page also. In the last video, we show how we can design a splash screen like you can see here in this function. This is a function for splash screen. After 4 seconds, the splash screen will disappear and we will jump to another page, to the product page. So in this video we are going to add all other dependencies which we have required in this project. So for that, come here in pubspec.yml file and you will see here this cappuccino icon. Below this we will add all other dependencies. So for that, come back to the Google and here write pubdev and first one, this click over here. Now here write Firebase auth, enter and click on first link and click here installing and just copy this dependency. Come back to the Android Studio and below this just paste it here like this. Then come back to the Google's and go back and write here Firebase core, enter, click here first one, click on installing, copy this dependency, come back to the Android Studio and after this paste it here. Again come back to the here Firebase storage, enter, click on first one, installing, copy this, copy the dependency, come back to Android Studio, below this paste it, again come back to the Google and here I think we added all other dependencies. Now I think it's enough. Come back here and here we need one more dependencies. So I think we forget two dependencies. So come back here, right here Cloud Firestore and enter, and when you enter you will see on this first link, click on this first one, then installing and Cloud Firestore, click this dependency, come back to the pubspec and after this paste it. Now come back here again and write image picker and enter, and this dependency is for when we will upload images from our phone, like we will capture from camera or we will access our phone gallery. So this dependency is for that. Click here installing and copy the dependency, come back here and paste it here. So the final, we need one more dependency guys. Come back again and URL launcher. This dependency is used for our app logo when we will upload our image on Google Play Store, so it will be in use. So copy this URL launcher and come back pubspec yml, and after this paste it here. So we have added all dependencies which we required in this project, and this is a Firebase auth. It is for login and sign up for registration, and this is a Firebase core. It is for database and Firebase storage. This dependency is used for when we will update and save the data, and this is Cloud Firestore. This is also for data, and this dependency, as I told you, for image picking from the camera and gallery, and this is our for application logo. And now finally click on pubget here, and you have to wait till some seconds. Now here all the dependencies has been added with exit code 0. It means it's successfully added. So in this video we did all these things. So see you guys in the next video, and we will work on our welcome screen and further for login and sign up users. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.